If two people pull a rope in opposite directions, who wins? That depends on the resultant force. When forces act in the same direction, just add them. 3 newtons plus 5 newtons gives 8 newtons. When forces act in opposite directions, subtract. 10 minus 4 gives a resultant of 6 newtons to the right. Common mistake. Students forget that equal opposite forces give 0 resultant. The object does not move. Remember SAS. Same direction, add. Opposite direction, subtract. That is your exam shortcut. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.